I'm overwhelmed to introduce our lovely artist, Sanjay Ashtaputri. And having known him for so many years, and to be with him and to understand more in depth and to learn a lot more, here we join at his residence, which is so artistic. Every corner of it speaks aloud of something. Something very silent, somewhere it is musical, all colorful, and somewhere it is black and white. The entire family we'll get to know is full of art and culture. Here we go into his residence. Here he is, the handsome and gorgeous artist.
Hi everybody, hello. Thanks Gita for coming to my house.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed to be today. You made my day. And at the beginning, I would take your blessing.
God bless you. God bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I have seen you very young. Almost,
Yeah.
I think 40, 45 years. Yes. Since then I'm watching you. You are also grown up.
You are such a lovely person. I want people to know more about you in detail, because when you read an autobiography of a person, we learn a lot. So please, the lovely tree that you see behind, he carries it wherever he goes. And that is a symbolic representation of you.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Namaste. Namaste.
Yeah, I found that tree on some road. I think it's in Ramkot.
Okay.
There is now huge Ganesh temple. But earlier there was a very small Ganesh Vigram under this tree. So for construction of that temple, they cut it and kept aside to use as a firewood. So once I was going through, I saw this and it is so beautifully carved, but still I thought, being an artist, I can create something beautiful out of it. But when I was watching this, it is already done by God. So much carved, and every day, whenever I watch this, I find something different, some different shape. So I love that tree.
Very true. God has crafted everything in and around us.
Yes.
Sanjay Bhai, I always feel there is no creativity by person, because everything is already created by God.
Very correct.
A person who sings, आलाप जो करते हैं पानी के पास, see, the ambience makes him sing.
Correct.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody writes a poem, he's inspired by nature.
Very true. Yes.
You wake up a son, he says, Mama, disturb mat karo. But then when a bird is chirping, he peeps through the window. Which bird? What color?
Correct, yes.
So I think we have lots to learn from nature.
Yes.
And I really loved your house. Look at that. Wow, every little corner has got something to say, as I told. I noted something small to introduce about you, because people know only you as Sanjay Ashtaputri.
Sanjay Ashtaputri.
But here, the entire umbrella of your family has got art and culture embedded.
Yeah.
जोड़ी क्या बनाया ऊपर वाले ने? भाभी जी.
Come. There you.
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते भाभी. How are you?
I'm fine. आप कैसी हैं?
How I wish I had you as my own bhabhi, because I am generally, it's a rare combination with so much of love pouring. And it's about 40 years that I know you.
Yeah.
Come.
My
Can't
amazing.
make her stand, no?
No, she's not going to stand. She can say, no, I want to talk to both. No, I want to talk to both of you. Be seated. साथ में बैठना चाहिए अब दोनों.
मैं आपके लिए चेयर लेके आई.
ना, चेयर नीचे.
Yes.
I just made a small heading for you. Reflections of life beyond sight. Reflections of life beyond sight.
Right, correct.
Beyond sight, why I said, stretching sound is music, stretching the movement is dance, stretching smile is a laughter, stretching the mind is meditation, stretching emptiness is bliss, and stretching the devotee is God. Stretching life is a celebration, and stretching art forms is divine.
Wow.
Your house is divine. I said, why? Because I remember you as a commercial artist. Then you have your wife, who is also from JJ, and she's a painter. You have your son, who's an artist. You have your daughter-in-law, who's a dancer.
Aditi, yes.
Yeah, that is why I said these lines really fit your
Very
family.
correct,
So it is a divine house full of love, life, and beyond sight. There is an aura built. There is an energy.
Yeah.
You have all art forms under one umbrella. आपका कुटीर तो धन्य है भाई, और हम आज आपके यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
इट्स आवर प्लेजर, इट्स आवर प्लेजर. जो भगवान ने हमको बोला है वो हम करते जाते हैं. इसमें कोई स्पेशल
नहीं, जनरली देखो हस्बैंड वाइफ टीचर के बच्चा तो ही इज ऑलवेज अ फेलियर. जैसे इन सम इंस्टेंसेस डॉक्टर का बच्चा बीमार रहता है, कभी किसी का कुछ किसी का. ये घर में भरपूर आर्ट का हर कोने में बसा हुआ है.
ये तो सही
भगवान जी की कृपा है.
कृपा है. और
तो-
आप जैसे लोग आते हैं और तारीफ करते
और
हैं तो
आप जैसे
हमको
प्यार करने वाले हैं.
और इनकरेजमेंट मिलता है हमको.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत वेरी नाइस एनर्जी, लवली. Hey, just come down and check out. Whatever I said is 120% true. Look at the gorgeous windows, look at the paintings, and look every corner, nook and corner. It really connects you. And any one of the senses has to be connected when you see art. Otherwise, it has no sense. Am I right, भाई?
परफेक्ट.
आंखों का अच्छा लगना चाहिए, या खाने का तो स्वाद अच्छा लगना चाहिए, स्मेल अच्छा रहना चाहिए, फीलिंग आना चाहिए.
करेक्ट.
तो रग रग में है यहाँ, हर चीज में. जस्ट लुक आउट, इट कनेक्ट्स यू.
या आर्टिस्टिक वेव्स आर देयर. वेव्स.
डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता है, कुछ बात करने जाएंगे, बिजी, वी कीप लुकिंग समथिंग.
करेक्ट. या
तो वो
हमको भी खुशी मिलनी चाहिए, आने वालों को भी खुशी मिलनी चाहिए.
ये घर का
तो ही
कुछ
घर का
नाम
वही मतलब ही
लगाया.
वही.
सारंग. सारंग.
अरे वाह,
हमारे सारंग के नाम से रखा है.
वेरी.
वो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहता है.
बड़ा बेटा.
तो वो सारंग का कुटीर है. आप नज़ारा देखिए, and you have the glimpses, you interact a lot.
प्लीज कम.
Please.
Come.
I would like to know and learn a lot about your past, because by hearing from you, it will be so useful to many of the upcoming students or artists about the life, and they will connect to you and they will understand how to go ahead, how to withstand, and so on. May I know a little introduction about your parents, their names?
Yeah.
What are your parents' name?
My father name was Devidas Rao. Ashtaputra is our surname.
Okay.
So everywhere we carry their surname. And my mother name was Kamalabai.
Kamalabai.
We are from Maharashtra. I'm born in Kandhar.
Khandar.
Not
Oh.
that Pakistan wala Kandhar.
ये वाला करना.
Yeah. It's in Maharashtra, Nanded district.
Nanded. Oh,
district, yeah.
oh, lovely.
So I born there in 1957, 1st May, Labor Day. And
So
then,
you broke the record there also.
yes,
By
yeah, labor.
छुट्टी के दिन आप पैदा
Yeah, even Maharashtra Day. First May is also Maharashtra Day.
So you marked
So
significance
throughout world, my birthday will be celebrated.
by everybody.
Yes.
Labor Day.
Yeah. And how many siblings are you all?
Yeah, I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters.
My
So total-
huge family.
So our,
He is 8.
Eight.
my number is 8.
Ashtraputre. So
Got
Ashtra,
that.
8 है.
So luckily that came to me. I mean, our surname
Yeah.
is Ashtaputra. That means maybe पहले कोई किसी को 8 बच्चे हो गए होंगे. So that surname.
आप आठवें में हैं.
Carries.
And you all are 4 brothers, 4
4
sisters.
sisters, yes.
And what was your father?
He was a math teacher. He was
Math
very
teacher.
good in mathematics.
Mathematics,
Yeah. But
okay.
very strict person and very systematic.
So where did you do your schooling?
Schooling did in Maharashtra's small village near Parbhani district.
Parbani. Oh,
Parbhani
it's quite
district.
famous.
Yeah,
Okay.
Parbhani district.
Jintur.
And, yeah, Jintur. And then after my 8th class, my father got retirement. So we all moved to Aurangabad, where my elder brother was working there. So my elder brother was 17 years elder than me.
17 years
17
elder to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So you're the लाडला. लास्ट है तो सबसे लाडले हो.
one more is there.
अच्छा, last but
I'm
one.
8,
Okay.
total 9. So one
You're the
more.
8th, okay.
Yeah, I mean 8.
Something wonderful. Ashtraputra is 8 number, and God's grace, Ashtalakshmi is what? Dhana, Dhairya, Santana. All the 8 he is possessed by God's grace.
Yeah. And luckily our plot number is also 8.
Very nice. So God has been very, very kind to you. माँ सरस्वती तो आपके, they say Vakdevi. Vakdevi is, she's Saraswati at the tip of the tongue. So Bhaiya is also like that.
Yeah.
His tongue is very different.
Yeah.
What he talks is very special, and it is spontaneous.
Spontaneous.
Yes, and it's a punch also at times.
Humorous.
Yes, that's what he punches people.
That's why I told, no, we all, I mean, in our house, हम 4 लोग हैं, we all like people make laugh.
Yeah.
जो भी बात करते हैं हंसी मजाक से.
No,
तो
that
बस-
has to be clear that your punch is never hurting.
Yeah, correct.
It is not sarcastic. It makes you more
Very.
close, more bonding. It reveals your character.
Yes.
And
किसी को
then where did you study?
Yeah, after moving Aurangabad, I was in 8th class. I completed my schooling there till 10th. And then I was very much interested in painting from my childhood. हमारे घर में जो 4 भाई है, 4 बहनें सब, they were good in academic, I mean educational. I was good, but I was not taking much
You were
interest.
inclined more to art.
Yeah, more to art. Because my uncle was a sculptor, not professional,
Oh.
but he used to make goddess
Idols. Okay.
idols in but he was very perfect.
very pious.
Yeah. So he used to make and gift everybody because those days. But when I was a 6-year-old, he passed away. So I got only that 4-5 years.
No, you're blessed with all
Yes,
his
yes, yes,
energy.
Yeah, just to.
Your inspiration and
So that-
perspiration
Yeah.
brought you to
So
this
वो
level.
खून
today.
वो जो आर्टिस्टिक खून या उसका मेरे अंकल का नेचर भी ही वाज वेरी आर्टिस्टिक ऑफ कोर्स टेम्परामेंट थोड़ा अलग था दैट ऑफ कोर्स आर्टिस्ट को थोड़ा रहता ही है बट
I was just wondering that why did Sanjay Bhai take up painting? He was a commercial artist. At JJ, were you into commercial?
yeah then initially I took admission in Aurangabad School of Art वो जब ही स्टार्ट हुआ था
अच्छा,
I took
अच्छा।
admission in 73 it started in 71 so very small but I completed there but every year we have to go to examination to JJ School of Art for final exam we used to go to JJ School of Art we used to stay there
That means your admission was
in
different.
Aurangabad
But you have to give your exams in JJ.
yeah and
But
the
your
staff
certification?
staff was all from JJ School of Art so we got
Oh, they would come there to teach.
yes. So indirectly all JJ training, we received a JJ training from all these my teachers.
See, from your paintings, औरंगाबाद एक बात है, महाराष्ट्र एक बात है. So the colors are very vibrant. In Maharashtra, what they wear, what they paint, you see all the Marathi
Very
people.
bold work.
Very bold, very, it stands out, you know. And if I may ask you, where did you find my bhabhi?
Yeah, then I got admission in School of Art Aurangabad, 73, and she joined in 75.
Okay.
Yeah, so our
2 years
college, she was 2 years junior. So our college was very small, very little students, very little staff. सब लोग ऐसा फ्रेंडली रहते थे. सो हमारा जो ग्रुप था वो नेचुरली हम थोड़ा बोल्ड दिमाग वाले, ह्यूमरस,
बिंदास रहते ना.
तो लेडीज यूज टू गेट अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स आवर ग्रुप, नॉट स्पेसिफिक मी और एनीथिंग, बट वी ऑल वेर टुगेदर.
So what did you study in JJ school? Painting or apply?
फाइन आर्ट.
Fine arts. Fine arts माने सब कुछ
Painting.
फाइन आर्ट्स पे पेंटिंग के बारे में.
पेंटिंग किए थे. अच्छा जी. तो वहाँ से आपका
वहाँ से हमारा
जिंदगी शुरू हुआ.
फ्रेंडशिप शुरू हुआ. देन आवर फ्रेंडशिप कन्वर्टेड.
So when did you marry?
समझता भी नहीं था क्या प्यार है, क्या फ्रेंडशिप है.
बिल्कुल,
बस
बिल्कुल.
था सबके साथ.
नहीं, वो जमाना ही वैसा था.
सही में.
और आर्टिस्ट का दिमाग हटके रहता है.
यस,
Very very open and jovial.
करेक्ट.
So when did you get married?
Yeah, I came to Hyderabad. Then after completion my degree, diploma those days, मैं हैदराबाद में आया because I got job in advertising agency. यहाँ पे सौभाग्य एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी था.
हाँ.
वहाँ कोई ऐड आया था. when I came to Hyderabad, next day I went to ad agency, gave my interview, and I was selected as a illustrator because my illustration was my subject. I was very good at
Yeah,
drawing.
your forte was
Yes,
illustration, as I remember. Also.
Drawing everything, landscape, portrait. I was expert in that. So that's how she got attracted to me, probably.
And look at that. You don't tell me her illustration was in, yeah.
Actually, we used to say ये 2 साल से मेरे पीछे है. 2 साल पीछे
Junior है तो पीछे.
जूनियर है ना, तो 2 साल से पीछे बोलते थे.
बाद में मैं पीछे पड़ा.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
82 में
82
marriage
we
हुआ.
got married.
So you settled in Hyderabad,
Hyderabad.
later.
Yeah. Initially I worked with ad agency. फिर slowly शादी होने के बाद we started our own. Yes.
पर हमारी शादी में प्रॉब्लम आने जैसा कुछ भी नहीं था. सेम कास्ट से सब जो घर की स्थिति है सबकी अच्छी सेम थी. तो चलो ठीक है,
आराम से.
आराम से हो गए, एकदम आराम से.
और बेसिकली ये था कि मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मैं कहाँ भटक जाऊँ. ये भी आर्टिस्ट है, चलो इनके साथ शादी हो गए तो दोनों मिलके कुछ
दोनों का पागलपन एक ही रहेगा.
ना कुछ कमाएंगे.
Goal will be one.
सोचे कि ऐसे ही शादी करेगा, नहीं तो नहीं करेगा. बॉम्बे तो नहीं जाने देना था उनको. फिर हैदराबाद ही ठीक है, चलो हैदराबाद भेज देंगे.
Better. So we.
Yeah. Now let me introduce my son. Of course, you know he was your student, Gunjan Ashtaputre, and she is my daughter-in-law, Aditi Ashtaputre. She is a Bharatanatyam dancer. He is a very good creative director. He does all commercial artwork and designing for various programs.
Hey, it's so nice meeting you after a long time.
Likewise, ma'am. It's been really long.
What's the latest work you're doing?
I'm working on a couple of documentary projects as
Okay.
an art director and a creative consultant. One of them is associated with the Palpong Monastery in the Himachal.
Wow.
We've just finished that project. I think they'll be showing it across. I think now it's touring Auroville and across Tamil Nadu as a feature film. And we've also me and my team, we've also just finished a 10-episode docu-series, which is about India from 1947 to 2020.
Hey, you're very lucky. Come on, you're putting in your efforts for such a lovely work,
Thank you.
which will get name and fame like your father.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah,
that's
विरासत
the
में
final
मिल
goal.
रहा है आपको.
बिल्कुल. And पूरा लिया है मैंने, ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़ा भी छोड़ा है.
हाँ, निचोड़ के.
बिल्कुल. That's the minimum I can do.
I know. But then anyway, your hard work also pays. It is not that you get certain things in your genes, but then inspiration doesn't work out alone, as I was
True,
talking
yeah,
to
yeah.
Dad. that you have to perspire to do anything, and you were very good at your work. So I am very proud. You guys are supposed to be the ambassadors of the college. See, you earn your name for yourself, no doubt. But then, in turn, it speaks in volumes about where you graduated from, where did you get inspired, what did you work. So you're like an ambassador to the college. And when I called Dad my bhaiya, I said, I feel wow, it's a feather in the cap for me too.
Yes.
What about you, Aditi?
I've been training in dance with Padma Shri Dr. Ananda Shankar Jain in Hyderabad. I've also done my diploma in contemporary arts from Bangalore, Art Gallery. And
I think you did something to do with Paithukalari?
Yeah, Kalaripayattu.
Kalaripayattu, yeah.
It's a mix of everything.
Okay.
It was a diploma PG course, and that was a 1-year course. After which I have explored a lot more into contemporary art other than Bharatanatyam, and I started my own school.
Congratulations, that's nice.
It's about maybe 2 years old now. It's called Nadi, Nadi River.
Yeah, your
Because a lot of people
your
the-
father or like in-law. You're the daughter of the house.
Yeah.
He's Ashtaputri and you're Ashtalakshmi here. Right.
Yeah.
So they were mentioning about the studio, and I was little inquisitive to talk about it because I'm meeting you all after a long time. And I do appreciate that the entire family is full of art and culture.
Yeah.
So you added a little color to it. Holi to kali gaya.
True.
But they say Krishna also waits for Radharani, who inspires, who tells, who connects, who recommends Krishna. Otherwise, he's always lost in his own glamour.
Correct.
So the
that's
Radharani of the house has come. Yeah, all men are. So you have added color to the family, not only as a daughter-in-law, but because they don't have daughters. So you're very lucky.
Yes, I am. Very lucky, yes.
You're
It's very rare to find a family that supports you so much.
Normally, supporting is different.
They're artists. They
Yeah.
understand. You
The language is the same.
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
So the connection is much more.
The behavior, the understanding, the weave nest rather.
Absolutely.
So every thread weaves into
I
something.
have constant support, especially from my mother-in-law. Because the house wouldn't run without her. Honestly,
Yeah.
all
yeah.
credit goes to her.
I agree to you a lot because she is also a painter by herself.
He's of course the star, but
No, but
she's the shine behind it.
obviously
She's
the aura.
always there.
See, it's like the god and she's the aura behind. Because you don't cook,
Correct.
Yes.
okay? You don't run around.
I could do painting only because she could cook.
That's what. And moreover, she's also a painter. She's sacrificed.
That's important.
Even today, ing should be added. She's still sacrificing. घुंघरू जब बजता है तो इनकी चाय की आवाज़ कहाँ सुनाई पड़ेगी? ग्राफिक कार्ड में ईयर प्लग लगा लिए तो वो कहाँ दौड़ेगी? आपका पेंटिंग वहाँ, इनका इधर, उनका स्टूडियो उधर. और घर का इतने मंजिल है,
सब जगह ये अकेली ना
तभी तो वो पतली दुबली है. पतली दुबली है. So she's the spine of the family, which is,
Correct. 100%.
yeah, she orchestrates everything.
Yeah.
Amazing.
आप ज्यादा मत पूछिए, नहीं तो ये लोग मेरे से पार्टी ले लेंगे।
पार्टी तो बनता है.
बनता है।
दिल खुश हुआ तो पार्टी. वैसे तो इनका कोई कम है, कम चलता क्या इधर, पार्टी देते रहते हैं. नाम तो पार्टी नहीं रहता, बट क्या होता है?
पार्टी होता है.
नहीं, क्या करते हो? सितार बजा के क्या करते हो?
Yeah, we enjoy celebration.
तो बैठक होती है. तो बैठक के नाम से पार्टी तो हो रहा है. बस अच्छा हुआ ये सितार बजाते हैं, भाभी गिटार बजाते तो दारू भी होता
हाँ, वो तो वैसा भी होता
है ना.
फिर कल से गिटार
तो-
बजाते हैं.
बजेगी घुंघरू इधर भरतनाट्यम का, तो फ्यूजन हो जाएगा फिर. So it was lovely hearing to you all. I pray and wish many children learn under you,
Thank you so much.
because I've seen you dance. You're so gracious to look.
Thank
So when you perform, your emotions are very beautiful, as I've noticed. I, as your chitti, call for children to join my Aditi's dance movement.
Thank you so
She's
much.
very dedicated.
Very, very dedicated. So it should be exactly like the river. I was telling them that it should flow.
Yes.
Har din ninad kal kal chanchal. I just read out a few lines some time back. So I hope your dance school really goes very, very well. And Gunjan to mera beta hi hai.
मैं तो अच्छा चलते ही रहता
Okay, you have always done well, and you can take up anything. It's all about head, heart, and the hands.
True. Yeah.
But for her, because her legs also move.
Yeah, legs also.
In all the others,
He used to play tabla. He learned,
Yeah.
sometimes he learned guitar.
Yeah, for her it's head, heart, and the legs.
He's
for
also
us it's
my
mainly
my
the hands
constant
and the
support.
bounce. Because you're constantly sitting on the system.
in your case, because you'll be stuck to the computer.
Yeah. The glutes need to be.
Yeah. So one of the adjective, yeah.
Pushing some.
So certain things can be added and removed. So it is all the same, isn't it? The umbrella is there. Oh, I
Yes.
had written one poem, Unheld Umbrella. No doubt today you get, but in the college I would give all vague projects. Unheld Umbrella, I didn't get my book today, where I went on writing so much. There is no caste and creed, no sex, no bar, no even for the unborn karke. And it's so beautiful that when you see once, it is in your mind forever. And guess what is that umbrella? It costs nothing. Everybody possesses it, but it's only that you have to realize. And the cost being giving up your greed, lust, and certain things, and you're the greatest lal of God. What is it?
Can be a lot of things.
Sky. Sky is, it's an umbrella which embraces everybody. The one who says God doesn't exist below, या God exists below, कुछ भी बोलो, कोई भी नाम से पुकारो, कुछ भी बोलो, ना बोलने वाले के लिए भी छत है वो. It takes care. I meant that the sky is a metaphor of God. So God really takes care for any religion, any region, any sex, any person. So all the very best to you both.
Thank you.
And you make us proud.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear, and God bless both of
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
We need your blessings.
Yeah.
100%.
All of us need motivation and blessing. दोनों चाहिए.
Yeah.
पैसा हाथ का मैले आ जाएगा.
Yeah. अभी हद
So-
हो गया है मैं.
I would love to check out with your professional work that you've done.
We'll go
Okay.
to our studio.
And it's so nice that we could interact with the entire family episode. With so much of energy, with all of you into art and culture, it makes us, I think people should come forward, either in the classes or to you for your painting or to graphic design, and feel jealous that I had come home.
Not only we are speaking, every object is speaking to you.
Yeah, that's what I said. It attracts attention. That means it distracts me while talking. कुछ दिख रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है. That is what I meant.
Yes.
So may I have the knowledge of how you started your career at Saubhagya? And what were you doing? Because good old days, I remember we had typesetting, we would cut every letter literally,
Correct, yeah.
paste it with the forceps. Do you remember? And it also reminds me, चप्पल का जो pasting करते हैं,
Rubber solution.
yes, I didn't use the word because I wanted people to understand that we ended up even using that.
Yeah. I used to go to Charminar to buy that rubber solution.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah, it was available in red and white both.
Correct, yes, yeah.
It would leave a mark of light pink. The best part,
There is a ball of the same dried rubber solution
Yeah, to-
remove the others
Yeah, the leftovers to the
Leftovers.
sides. And how we would do the finishing with the brush of each letter.
Yeah.
And you were a master in illustration, as I remember.
But I learned every aspect of this commercial thing. Like we worked for screen printing, even darkroom. My wife used to do darkroom work, taking negative, putting bromides, as you said, later जो एक later करके bromide लेके paste करके again.
These days, children are digital, no doubt, but then they type anything, you get it in the oval format, you get it in the circular format.
Yeah. Now
you
everything
delete
is possible
anything.
on your fingertips.
I know, but then I appreciate the old artists.
Correct, yeah.
Because they had that finesse in them, the skill in them.
Correct. Patience.
Yeah,
Patience.
and when we make an emblem, I remember the letters had to be put in round. And our teachers taught us 2 straight line, you would leave 1/4 space,
Correct.
1 straight line and a half a circle, another space,
Yeah.
2 half circles again, another. But then, that is all, not very practical,
I'm
optical.
happy that you are taking my interview because you have some knowledge. Of course, you work as a professor in JNTU, but this commercial knowledge, even
Practically,
practically, yes.
yeah.
So it's good that you can ask proper questions.
No, my interest of conversing with you very casually is, I want the children of today to understand, अरे आपके हाथ की बात नहीं है. Head, heart and the hands would do for us.
Correct.
Head for visualization, heart for the,
Interest.
empathy or sympathy,
Yes.
depending on what the product is. And the hands would do the magic.
Correct. Yeah.
And we had the spacing so well, it was optical
Practically,
balance.
yeah. So aesthetically, your eye, you should be so perfect.
We never drew grids, but we had the measurement in our
Correct, yeah.
eyes.
Yeah.
God, thanks to God that we were built in with all that.
Yeah. Thanks to our teacher.
Yeah. Maths में weak है, English में weak है करके art में आते हैं, but then God has already built in everything with us. When we look at a person, we know he is not proportionate. Isn't it?
Correct. Yeah.
So we
By
just,
seeing it, we can just.
this is God-made computer and that's only man-made programmed. So we have to know what God has built in with and for which we have to work a lot to know what is our input. Am I right?
Yeah.
And after Saubhagya, what did you do?
Yeah, as I said, after marriage, because my wife is also an artist,
Yeah.
we started our own advertising designing studio called Active Designer.
Active design.
Active Design. So we used to get designing
Freelance works.
freelance work, designing part from ad agency also. I used to do spray work, even illustration. I used to work for Sisters Advertising, Mudra Advertising, so all ASP, everybody
Yes,
as
yes.
a illustrator.
Jaisima was a
correct.
cricketer.
So
All
as a
right.
freelance illustrator, freelance visualizer,
There were less of artists then.
Yeah.
So we used to run from pillar to post,
correct, yeah.
run to the agencies, work in the evening,
Yeah, give
it
service.
back next.
Yeah, prompt service, perfect service. So that's how we learn all these aspects
And do
develop.
you remember when we never had, for recopying, we would remove the doom
Yeah, yeah.
and then turn it around with, precision.
Correct. So that we not get a shadow.
Yes,
The
yes.
pasting shadow.
And the light would pass equally around.
Oh, you did darkroom work also?
Yeah, I had it at home. So we would recopy, then make prints.
Correct. On negative, we used to touch up those lights
Yeah.
with a red upside.
And the moving images in the slide,
Slide, yes.
by putting liquids. In the theaters, we would run around and see, it's not buying a ticket ki mera hai. And when the logo comes down and stops, it would click in our heart.
You are taking me so many good memory lanes.
I know that is what we have to discuss and feel good.
Yeah.
That we have done a
Good
lot
days,
of hard
yeah, very
work.
Good days, good memories. And we enjoyed, we struggled, and that's how we could achieve this stage. By
What was that? Kamal Studio. Do you remember that? Opposite to GMG Packets.
what he used to do?
he used to provide us with bromides at times.
No, Manu used to give.
Manu and Chikatpalli.
Chikatpalli. I used to take from
Yeah,
Manu. Yes.
Manu initially would give. Then we had Kamal Studios
Okay.
opposite to GMG.
Okay, yeah.
And it was amazing. Later, after that, what did you do?
Yeah.
Because I want to know your path of milestone in your
Till
life.
94, I think I was very much busy with this commercial activity. Simultaneously, I was doing painting for myself. So, as a first part of painting, I would say that when I came to Hyderabad in 1978, 79, there is a art exhibition. What is that? Hyderabad Art Society.
Yeah.
Yeah, India Art Exhibition. So they used to get interest from all over India. So 79, I saw that somebody told me that there is an exhibition, why don't you participate? So I did. I had one cardboard, I did some illustration kind of painting with waterproof ink and charcoal, and I just submitted. It was big size, like 3 by 4.
It was huge then.
Huge, yeah. So I submitted, and by my good luck, I got first prize for that. So I developed my confidence.
Unlike other men, can you tell me your wife influenced you in doing the painting?
No, those days I was not married at all.
Okay, so you escaped. All right.
I'm talking about 79. We got married in
83.
82, 83.
82, 83.
So that's how I developed my confidence. And whenever I used to see all these big artists, my inner voice used to tell me,
But when did you partner with Leonard Ads, Ullas Mukim?
yeah, that was in 79 only. 79. That was only for 1 year. And then because my interest was in painting.
Yeah.
and I was doing some part-time job also. But then I thought, because till now, after 50 years, we are as good as
Good old friends.
good
Oh.
old friend.
Yeah.
And I told him that, see, my interest is in painting, so I may not be able to contribute
I
much.
remember he was a batchmate of yours from JJ School of Art.
Classmate. So I said,
Why did you join?
I said, you just handle this Leonard, and if I leave and do my own, and so our friendship will be intact as it is.
Yeah, I remember it was in the lanes of Abbott's,
It's Jagdish
opposite,
Market.
Jagdish
Jagdish
Market, opposite to Taj Mahal now.
Correct, yeah.
And I remember the stairs were very, narrow and filthy,
Out of this busy.
And his wife was also from JJ School.
Correct. She did textile, but she used to come there, help, and we are good family friend till now.
So do you remember me working with you
Yes,
then?
very much. I told you, no, I remember you coming on bicycle with small school dress, kind of maybe blue skirt and white blouse. I remember that. You used to park your cycle near that cycle stand, Jagdish Market. You used to come to studio. Yes.
I finished my school in 77 and 78 I joined the college.
Correct, yeah. Maybe second year
And
onwards you joined.
no, first year last semester. We had 2 semesters in PPC, and I was working with Surdas, your senior, I suppose.
Suresh and
Yeah, Suresh,
Bhagwan.
Bhagwan Das, Srinivas,
Srinivas.
and all.
yeah, one more Sharma was there. He used to do screen painting.
No, but then I didn't work with him then. I just joined for about 2 months because Manuji had asked me to join, and he was just behind my house. But then I felt the place through which we had to go was very difficult. And I was a little cynical also, to be frank. I was wondering, how can they have a name as Surdas? Surdas was blind.
Yeah.
And in my
And
school...
spiritual thing.
Yeah.
They were doing commercial activity.
It is not to let them know, but this is just to tell how we were in the past. I just came up to school, and my elective subject in school was painting. I never knew there was an art college. I never knew anything much. And my art teacher told my sister, she's too good at art, put her in an art college. I came with a frock to write my entrance in this college. Once I got through, And then I saw painting is very costly, and there was a lot of things written in the media. And I said, I don't fit in there, so let me get into commercial.
There was a controversy between two known artists.
Very well known
Known
artists.
artists.
But
Yeah,
anyway, I don't want to name them now and get into all sorts of fiddle. But then I took applied art, and then after 2 months working with, not even 2 months, I think, 2 weeks or a month, they said they would pay my bus pass of 60 rupees. And I didn't know why the name Surdas was there. I created a logo, and I could convince the client to take it for 25,000 that time. No, 2,500.
2005.
And I was feeling high up in the air because I could convince the client who did not take it.
Correct, yeah.
Then I just left the job and I joined y'all.
Yeah.
Pardon me, even today I feel so bad, but everything happens for the good.
Correct, yeah.
I remember you sitting just beside me, making lovely illustrations. I would get distracted doing my work, I would peep. And Bhabhi, I generally won't call anybody Bhaiya. That is very, very, a feeling that a woman should get. And he was so good. I never knew he was a partner to Ullas.
Still, I'm good.
Yeah, of course. That is why I'm here today. I'm so proud. I relished the journey with you for about 40 years now.
Correct, yes.
Say around 83, not even 83, 78.
Yeah.
78 onwards, I'm in touch with you. And I'm so lucky that I have a Bhabhi also who's so loving. And added to it, Gunjan and Aditi again.
Of course.
So it's almost...
Gunjan is your student in JNTU.
No, but I feel today I have an extended family.
Yes.
I don't feel I have nobody at home because I have one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Always. It's always.
Yeah. And I have worked there for about 2 or 3 years. Do you remember me apart from that at the work at Leonards?
No. Only sometimes because I used to stay in Barkatpura.
You used to come to illustrate.
You used to stay in Bagalingapalli. Sometimes I used to see you going somewhere or something.
What is that boy's name? Vikram? No, Vikas.
Vikas. In Leonards?
Yeah?
Yeah, Vikas.
He was a cousin to...
Correct, yes.
Am I right?
Yes, very correct.
What's he doing?
Yeah.
He is now in US.
He is in US and luckily he is here now.
He is here.
Last week.
Yeah. Oh. I remember.
He was a regular visitor to
Ulhasa.
Leonards.
Yeah. And I was from a Kendra Vidyalaya, so I wouldn't like pranks and all stupid things, I remember you all had signed up for Lee Jeans. You had a client.
Correct, yes.
I said, okay, I'll model. Then my husband, who didn't even marry me then, he never wanted me to model.
Correct, yes.
Then they said, okay, do it together. He said no.
Yeah.
I had to quit the job.
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah, correct, yeah.
We had so many clients, we did a lot of work, and he never behaved like a boss. He was so loving, he would teach everything so well. That is why I'm having the relation till date. A woman has to feel very secure,
Yeah.
and knowledge is something which you should part with. That I would like to leave a message to the people. Whatever little you know, please pass it on.
मगर मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि संजय टीचिंग फील्ड में संजय ने जाना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखने
को मिलता
ये
है.
बहुत चाहती थी मैं पहले से। कहीं तो इनका जो ज्ञान है वो बच्चों को मिलना चाहिए।
बहुत कम लोग ये क्रिएटिव फील्ड में पेपर कौन सा है, क्या कलर है, क्या प्रोसेस है, नहीं बोलते हैं। यू हैव टू शेयर अ लॉट। जैसे बीज को हम बोते हैं तो क्या होता है, बड़ा पेड़ बन के उसमें इतने सारे फ्रूट्स लगते, फिर उसमें इतने सारे सीड्स, यू कैन फाइंड योर सेल्फ इन देम। ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कोई किसी को पैदा होना,
करेक्ट, यस.
इंस्पिरेशन के साथ पर्सपायर भी होना. खाली इंस्पायर हुए तो कुछ नहीं होता. पर्सपायर भी हो
करेक्ट, यस.
और उनकी थोड़ी आदत में आ जाता है. तो बोले ये आप सोनसो के स्टूडेंट हो, ये छाप रह जाता है.
और बहुत कुछ उनसे सीखने जैसा आर्ट में काफी कुछ है.
बहुत
एक भी
बहुत.
फील्ड ऐसा नहीं है कि जो उन्होंने नहीं किया.
नहीं आप
I
अभी
get
देखिए ना.
attracted. I get attracted to every form of art. Like
Yeah.
I even tried my hand in music, sculpture, poems,
कॉमिक्स.
comics.
Comic.
Yeah, I did comic. I used to get script from Delhi.
मैं वही बोलती थी अपने पद्मावत की जो वीसी है मेरी बैचमेट की थी.
Okay.
तो मैं बोलती थी एनी आर्ट फॉर्म अप्लाइड.
तो इंडस्ट्रियल एग्जीबिशन में मुझे अवार्ड मिला. उस टाइम बेंद्रे वगैरह ये जूरी थे, तो मेरा पेंटिंग का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया. फिर भी रोजी रोटी के लिए मैं कमर्शियल काम करते रहता था, साथ में पेंटिंग. लेकिन
पैशन था आपका
पैशन,
पेंटिंग.
यस, पेंटिंग. और कहीं
But to be very frank, sir, it was very difficult for us to sustain or make paintings which costed us, which we could not afford. Do you agree with this?
yeah, that's true. But I used to work in watercolor. It cost hardly anything.
Color and all was fine, but to do an oil painting, we lived in small houses.
Yeah.
To
it-
store it was difficult.
correct. And oil color is a costly affair. But finally, what you have to do is one frame, one space, whether white canvas or paper, you have to develop your aesthetic sense and values, how you operate, so that you can practice in any medium, charcoal or anything. So that's how I just. Then till 94, I was busy with commercial activity. Then slowly, as I told you,
When did you start flair for music?
yeah. Let me complete this.
Okay. Okay.
Then I started
Genre.
comic book, being an illustrator, because I used to get script from Delhi. I used to read
What
it.
was the name of the comic?
Raj Comics. So Nagaraj,
Raj Comics.
Nagaraj character is famous till those days. Those days child. Now they are young boys. They remember still. They invite me. They
I
are
do remember, but then I wanted you to spell out because I can see the smile on your face, to recall the nostalgic.
Yes, very much, very much. So because being a painter, I never like to go to client, ask for job, ask for money, put a bill. So I thought the comic business is good. Sit at home, work it, get monthly or 1.5 month one payment and
Yeah,
survive
yeah.
and then do my own painting. तो ऐसा करते करते फिर slowly painting में आ गया. And after I think 2000. And there was a setback in my life
Thank you, Bhabhi.
in 2000. So I was sitting at home for 5 years. But after that, again, I started my painting career. And now I'm happy with my painting career. Yes.
Yeah, you're a multidisciplinary person. Artist Ashtaputra means I should count 8 now.
Art Kala.
Yeah, so many. Goddess has been very, very gracious upon you. Yeah.
God's grace, yes.
अनुदेह करम वाक्यम चहितम यत स्वाध्याय जो भगवत गीता में है. अब याद आ रहा है मेरे को आपका कला के बारे में बोलने के लिए कि वाग्देवी जो सरस्वती टंग के एज पे बैठती है, वो उसका मतलब वो है कि प्लीज गॉड गिव मी. सच जो है कड़वा होता है, बट ये कड़वा सच को बोलने का उच्चारण, शब्द, वक़्त, what time, when, what you can say, एंड हम प्रे करते हैं कि सामने वाला उसको अंडरस्टैंडिंग में ले.
रिसीव करना. You must receive.
हाँ, यू शुड रिसीव इट इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. तो इसीलिए रोज हम वाग्देवी को प्रे करते हैं. आपके अष्ट में तो एक आ गया, क्योंकि आपकी बोली वाणी ऐसी है, मीठी तो सामने वाले को लगता ही है. वार भी करो तो मीठा वार करते हो. ये भी आया. करेक्ट ना भाभी?
कोई मुझसे पूछे.
चलो मिठास तो है.
मिठास है.
मिठास तो
मैं
है.
इसलिए बोली ना, sarcastic कभी नहीं हो. कभी नहीं, मिठास है।
हाँ। और मैं क्या बोलती हूँ पता है, जब भी मैं कॉफी बनाती हूँ मॉर्निंग, तो मैं नीचे से पुकारती हूँ उनको कि आप किसके साथ है, कविता के साथ है, पेंटिंग के साथ है,
संगीता के साथ
शिल्पा
है,
के साथ है,
कविता।
के साथ है। अगर किसी के साथ नहीं है तो नीचे आके दया के साथ कॉफी पीजिए।
Yes.
इसलिए वो अष्टकला आ जाती है।
अष्टकला तो है ही।
उन्होंने कविताएं भी काफी की है।
तभी तो बोल रही हूँ, आज मेरा इंटरेस्ट इसी में था कि लोगों को समझ आए हाउ मेनी फेसेस यू हैव, हाउ मच ऑफ टैलेंट गॉड हैज गिवन।
It's a kind of expression, na?
Yeah, yeah.
You are feeling, whether it's music or painting or poem, it's an expression.
ट्रू, बट
I don't do it for
एवरीबडी
the
शुड
people.
ट्राई, एवरीबडी शुड ट्राई, क्योंकि भगवान जी ने क्या प्रोग्राम किया आपको मालूम ही नहीं। कम से कम दबा के देखो, इनपुट क्या क्या है ना?
Correct.
Because we do not know until we explore ourselves.
So you ask about music.
Yes.
So music मेरे family में है. My father was very much interested in classical music. He used to listen, but when I was a child, the same time I used to listen, so that's how I got interested. और हैदराबाद में आने के बाद luckily I got a musical circle. यहाँ पे जो भी well known musicians है,
हाँ, बैठक होती है आपके घर में, मुझे याद है।
बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिकल
musical circle.
यहाँ के बहुत
वो घर छोटा था तो ही बैठक होता था। मैं वही सोच रही हूँ, ये घर में क्या हो रहा हुआ
अभी
है।
आदित्य ऐड हो गई, गुंजन ऐड हो गया, ये सब
ये लोग ऐड हो गए, आदित्य डांस करती है,
स्टूडेंट्स वगैरह सब।
डांस भी सिखाती है ना?
हाँ
सिखा दी। यस,
तो कोई डांस स्कूल का नाम लगाए?
हाँ
नदी स्कूल ऑफ मूवमेंट, इट्स रियली गुड बिकॉज नदी मीन्स रिवर,
या
उसमें रिदम है, साउंड है,
फ्लो है।
फ्लो है, सो इट्स गुड। तो म्यूजिक देन लकीली आई मेट विथ एन वेरी ग्रेट गुरु पंडित आत्माराम जी.
Atmaram ji was your guru, right?
Yeah. So last 25 years, unfortunately he passed away 3 years back, but till then I used to go regularly. I used to go around 7 o'clock till 11 o'clock. I used to sit with him, practice music. उनके साथ उन्होंने जो भी मुझे वो बजाते थे, I used to follow. I can't say that I am a perfect, nobody can say, but I am a little beginner.
I remember,
but
I told
my
Ramani the
expressions
other
are-
day, अरे आपके तो आर्टिस्ट का पेंटिंग्स लगा दिया, आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि हमारे भाई साहब सितार भी बजाते हैं, तो ऑन सर्टन ओकेशंस यू शुड मेक देम inaugurate with such lovely music.
Yes.
You should reveal the other side of the coin.
3 जगह हुआ है।
Yeah,
उनका- उनका ही-
नहीं, वो लड़की को बोली थी मैं, रमनी को।
हस्ता में
इसमें
हुआ था।
वो ऑडियो में है ना?
हाँ, you said.
नहीं, हस्ता में एग्जीबिशन जब किया था।
Now I started giving performance. जब तक गुरुजी थे
किया था, उसमें आपने परफॉर्म किया था।
Yes,
फर्स्ट टाइम।
first time 2008.
नहीं नहीं, आर्टिस्ट को मालूम होना चाहिए और सरल भाव से रहना। जैसे अभी आपने बोला मूवमेंट, नाम लगाया
नदी.
नदी, तो इससे मेरे को याद आ रहा है बचपन में जो यह लग सरिता का बहता जल, कितना निर्मल कितना कोमल, कल कल निनाद कल कल चंचल, बहता आता नीचे पल पल।
वाह.
याद है वो
हाँ?
मुझे भी याद है।
तो वो पल पल निनाद बोले तो हर दिन, हर मोमेंट, हर टाइम। अगर पत्थर is more known for male and anything that gives is feminine in nature. पत्थर भी अगर आ जाए तो पानी रुकता क्या?
साइड से भी।
It will hit against a stone,
Yes.
build pressure, दूसरी बार और थोड़ा प्रेशर, तीसरी बार, और ऐसे आगे निकल जाता है कि पीछे मुड़ के भी नहीं देखता कि कहाँ रुका। तो वो कष्ट इतने आते हैं जिंदगी में आर्टिस्ट को। आई होप यू एग्री। पेरेंट्स भी जो बच्चा पढ़ाई कर रहा है सोचते वही खाना खिलाएगा, नाम लाएगा, इसको डांटते रहते। स्कूल में भी लास्ट बेंचर बोलेंगे, ड्रॉ कर रहा है, पढ़ाई में नहीं है बोलते हैं। बट
That
गॉड,
way I am lucky. I got a full support from my.
दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू क्वेश्चन यू।
Yeah, because they were in music, they were in painting. I mean.
विरासत में मिल गया भाई, ये देखो अष्ट में और एक मिल गया विरासत में, देखिए।
किसी का कोई विरोध नहीं था किसी चीज के लिए। न उनके घर में न मेरे घर में।
बिकॉज दे अंडरस्टैंड। अभी आपके बच्चों को ये और विरासत में इसलिए मिल रहा कि आप दोनों भी आर्टिस्ट हो, दोनों भी सिंगर हो, तो इसमें एड ऑन हो गया। जैसे मैं बोली एनी आर्ट,
यस
तो डांस आ गया, म्यूजिक आ गया, अप्लाइड आर्ट चल रहा है। क्या नहीं है आपके घर में? बोला खाना पीना भी स्वादिष्ट है और घर में तो फीस्ट टू द आई है।
आपके जैसे लोग आते हैं प्यार करने वाले, जो
जैसे
चाहने वाले।
प्यार करने वाले बहुत है।
हम तो खुशियाँ समेट के जाते। इट्स ऑल फीस्ट टू द आई टू लुक एट एनीथिंग, है ना? दिल खुश होता है।
हमारे दोस्त लोग भी आते हैं तो बच्चे बहुत खुश होते हैं, दोनों भी एकदम दिल से सब कुछ करने को तैयार है।
भैया यू रिमेम्बर क्वार्टर टोनिंग, हाफ टोनिंग,
हाँ यस यस
याद है?
यस, वो स्प्रे में करके देन वो स्क्रीन आता था उसका screen।
हाँ, और डॉट्स पर इंच रहता था, तो हम
वो इंस्टा प्रिंट,
इंस्टा प्रिंट तो टाइपोग्राफी के लिए था।
नहीं इवन स्क्रीन के लिए भी।
हाँ, स्क्रीन वही typography is for the right,
यस,
and we used to get some designs for the corners.
लेटर सेट तक था।
तो मैं क्वार्टर टोनिंग का इसलिए बोल रही कि प्रोडक्ट का फोटोग्राफ लो तो भी नहीं आता, न्यूज़पेपर का क्वालिटी कम है, मैगजीन का ज़्यादा है, तो डॉट्स पर इंच रहता था, जितना डॉट्स रहेगा उतना फिनिश।
करेक्ट, यस।
तो चिकन पॉक्स आए जैसा पुराने फोटोज निकाल के देखना न्यूज़पेपर में डॉट 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 रहेगा, मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास
Yes,
लगाए
yes,
तो प्रोडक्ट्स को भी फिनिश करते थे। वो जमाना था। नोबल ब्लॉक मेकर्स था,
हाँ,
याद है?
इवन मोहन प्रोसेस का।
हाँ, मोहन प्रोसेस भी।
आई यूज्ड टू वर्क फॉर हिम।
मोहन प्रोसेस में तो यही था, क्वार्टर टोनिंग, हाफ टोनिंग, टाइप सेटिंग
Yeah,
वगैरह।
it was him.
नोबल ब्लॉक मेकर्स अपना एबिट्स के गली में,
वो मुस्लिम फेलो।
हाँ मुस्लिम गाय, तो एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट बनाओ, उसकी कॉपीज बन
इवन
जाएगा।
लकड़ी का पुल में डेक्कन एक था।
डेक्कन था। गुड ओल्ड डेज, गुड ओल्ड डेज। और स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग के लिए हाँ,
था स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग।
ना वो बात
आर्यन?
ना आर्यन की बात नहीं कर रही। गौलीगुड़ा में शायद आई वर्क फॉर दैट फोटे, ओके।
महावीर।
ना महावीर तो चिकटपल्ली में। तो वो ये स्क्रीन प्रिंटिंग यूनिट था मेरे पास, ऑफसेट था, हर चीज़ घर पे भी तो ऑफिस अलग था। तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, शीट फॉर्मेटर था, वो हर स्टिकर को रेक्टेंगल या ओवल को काटने के लिए लेबर चाहिए, इतना हम नहीं कर सकते। तो अप्स बोलते थे, एक मास्टर आर्ट वर्क बनाते थे, उसके अप्स ब्रोमाइड चिपकाते, फिर उसमें समझ आना चाहिए कि ऑफसेट का प्रिंटिंग स्पेस कितना है, उसके अंदर कितना बैठेगा,
Yes.
डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइज। तो गौलीगुड़ा काचीगुड़ा के उधर से लाल बंगला कुछ था, वहां से जाते तो लेबर्स मिलते थे, दे विल स्लिट द शीट,
यस करेक्ट, यस।
पतला सा, नीचे तक नहीं कटता, ऊपर ऊपर कट जाता है, तो निकाल के चिपकाने के।
ग्राफिकॉन था उधर।
नहीं ये ब्रांडेड नहीं था, बस वो गेट के पास दे के आओ, फिर कट के वापस लेके आना। तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़, जैसे राउंड इस पे प्रिंट करना। आई वर्क फॉर अयप्पा प्रिंटर्स, SK एंटरप्राइजेस करके था, हिमायत नगर, तेलुगु एकेडमी क्या
हिमायत नगर
कुछ था। तो प्रेमनाथ करके प्रेम सर थे, पूरे लेके आए थे। नाम तो देखो, फंटूश प्रिंस पेनाइल प्रिंस पेनाइल वाले का फंटूश। और वो नमूना ऐसा था, एक लेटर का एक कलर चाहिए। दैट वाज द प्रोडक्ट आई हैड डिजाइन। तो वो उन लोगों के लिए पूरा स्टिकर के लिए जाते थे। गुड ओल्ड डेज।
आपको बहुत कुछ याद है।
याद है।
याद तो है, क्योंकि
ये सब कई सालों के बाद।
She used to do all this cutting pasting.
बट भैया मैं कॉलेज में कभी आई एम नॉट स्पोकन, क्योंकि वहाँ का सिलेबस अलग था, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अलग था।
Practical is different.
आई नेवर न्यू तेलुगु, और जितना सिलेबस है वो कंप्लीट करना था। अच्छा, आपका हनुमान व्यायामशाला की गली में
Associate.
ना वो गुजराती गली बोलते हैं ना, हनुमान व्यायामशाला की गली में, तो उसके पास फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटिंग था। फ्लेक्सो प्रिंटिंग में रबर स्टीरियो से काम करते थे, ये प्लास्टिक कवर्स के ऊपर प्रिंटिंग,
Correct, yeah.
उस पे भी काम करी।
हाँ, correct. घरोंदा.
Garunda is for wedding cards.
हाँ, और उसके बाद ये प्रिंटिंग का भी था।
नहीं, मैं तो रजवी प्रिंटर्स करके थे, उनका बालनगर में था, बट ऑफिस इधर,
अच्छा।
ये जो हनुमान शाला में। तो वो आर्ट वर्क वॉज डिफरेंट फॉर ऑफसेट फॉर,
Correct,
हाँ,
yes, yes.
हर चीज़ का अलग 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 अलग।
फर्स्ट टाइप सेटिंग आया था प्रगति में, लकड़ी का पुल के पास वहाँ था।
ओ, कॉलेज के बाद में। बहुत बहुत काम करे, और इतनी प्रिंटिंग के लेयर्स थे, जैसे कार्ड में ऐसे
हाँ,
टर्न करो, ऐसे टर्न करो, अलग दिखता,
3 डायमेंशनल दिखता।
3 डिमेंशनल। एंड विंकिंग लेडी का बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हुआ था।
यस,
पॉपअप वर्क किए,
स्पेशली हीरोइंस के आते थे वो।
पॉपअप वर्क, इट वाज अमेजिंग।
यस, सो नाउ दैट इज ऑल स्टॉप्ड। कमर्शियल तो काफ़ी बंद हो गया लास्ट 20 ईयर्स।
अब कैसा हो गया बोलते हो, बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद हो गया।
लेकिन अच्छा हो गया आप आने से। आई कुड
वी जस्ट रिकॉर्ड आवर मेमोरीज,
Correct,
बस।
यस,
अच्छा लगा।
नाउ वी आर इनटू दैट एज।
या कि क्या क्या किए, क्या पापड़ बेले।
यस,
बट हार्ड वर्क से यू रीच टू एपिटोम ऑफ सक्सेस, है ना।
मैं और एक चीज़ बोलता हूँ, आई टेल
हाँ जी।
एवरीबॉडी कि आवर जनरेशन इज द ओनली जनरेशन हु हैज सीन एवरीथिंग, लाइक लालटेन से लेके चूल्हा से लेके माइक्रोवेव तक, और इवन फॉर
Because the
मोबाइल
generation is changing so fast.
टेलीफोन। आई यूज टू गो टू टेलीफोन बूथ, वहाँ पे जाके फ़ोन करना। अभी तो आई एम कैरिंग मोबाइल इन माई पॉकेट। यस,
बिना का गीत माला सुनते थे।
ये अपना जनरेशन ही है, प्रॉब्ली मेरा।
अमीन सहानी का आवाज, एग्जीबिशन आप जो बोले वहां गए भी तो सुनते थे। अमेजिंग इट वाज, लवली, बट द लाइफ वाज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल,
Very
वेरी
interesting.
चैलेंजिंग आल्सो।
Yes, yes. And we learned so many things by our experience.
अभी भी हमारी सुबह संगीत सरिता से होती है, अभी भी 50 साल से।
विविध भारती।
विविध भारती संगीत सरिता बराबर। हम टाइम बदल गया है, मगर वो टाइम को एडजस्ट करके हम सुनते ही हैं।
नहीं, अपना पीरियड ही ऐसा था कि हम आगे का भी देखे, पीछे का भी देखे।
सही।
सिनेमा हम सुनते थे रेडियो पे, देखने थोड़ी गए।
Yes.
बट द आर्टिस्ट
Even commentary of cricket.
क्रिकेट नहीं, बट देयर वी वुड अंडरस्टैंड किसका एज कितना है, मॉड्यूलेट करके वॉइस बात करते थे, तो मालूम पड़ता था ये डैडी बात कर रहे हैं, ये बेटा बात कर रहा है, दादी बात कर रही है। सो द एक्टर्स वर ऑल अमेजिंग,
Yes.
ऑल्दो वी कुडंट सी देम। द डेज आर वेरी वेरी नाइस। याद करने में बहुत मज़ा भी आया।
Yes.
आई थिंक टुडे यू मेड माई डे।
Even
It's
the
not-
same with me. Yes. अभी last 2 hours we are in the past.
Yeah, we are, because there are so many people coming home and you have so much to do.
Correct. Yeah.
आज तो मैच फिक्सिंग हो गया अपना with no cost.
Yes.
And that's because I knew you from so many years, you couldn't say no, and it is nice to, get into the memory lane.
Reveal our past.
And the hard work we have done, for which God has really...
So now we are planning to have my retrospective. So almost 50 years I am working in Hyderabad, worked in almost all art forms and art.
Retrospective.
So we are
many medias.
yeah, many meetings. So we are planning to have, so that student will come to know.
Yeah, today's generation have to
Yes,
know.
yeah.
See, अभी क्या है, बटन दबाओ ठीक है, चाहे गाड़ी हो ना हो ब्रेक्स, हमको तो न्यूट्रल पे डाल के फिर गियर बदलना, डांस पिस गया तो क्लच प्लेट गया। अभी तो ऐसा कोई बात नहीं ना, यू कैन मेंशन एनीथिंग, प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन हो, कोई भी हो।
Yeah.
बट भैया, आर यू फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड एंड नाइस?
Of course, yes.
लोग सोचते थे इंजीनियरिंग पढ़े तो पढ़ाई है, आर्ट करे तो बेकार।
Yes.
अपना JNTU के VC साहब 25 इयर्स का इसमें अलुमनस करके मेरे को बुलाए। मैं चुपचाप बैठी थी कोने में, बोलते क्यों हंस रही है, बोल कुछ। मैं बोली नहीं बोलना है सर। मेरे कुछ भी नहीं बोलना, आप लोग सब बड़े बड़े महारथी हैं, बस बैठी हूँ, किस लिए बुलाए, क्या करना करके। तो बोले चुप क्या हंस रही, क्या बात है। मैं बोली मदर इज ओल्डर देन द चाइल्ड ऑलवेज, बट हियर द चाइल्ड इज ओल्डर देन द मदर। तो बोले क्या। मैं बोली फाइन आर्ट से JNTU बना, अभी आपका 25 ईयर्स हो रहा, हमारा 1 ईयर हो रहा है। तो ये कलयुग है।
Correct. Yeah.
वेरी फनी ना।
True.
नहीं आप भी लीजिए।
नहीं हो गया। तो वो इवन इन वर्क इट हैज चेंज सो मच, इट हैज क्लाइम्ड सच स्टेज, लैंग्वेज हैज चेंज, द बिहेवियर हैज चेंज।
Yes.
Google also
Total
doesn't give
terminology is changed.
everything is changed. So different.
For bill collection, we used to make 3-4 rounds. Now on GPay, immediately.
That's different. Yet, you know, I feel, see,
Easy money nowadays, easy money.
है ना, मोबाइल पे देखो, वेब पे देखो, फोन पे देखो, कहीं भी देखो, आर्टिस्ट आर द फ्रंट रनर्स। इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ो या कुछ भी करो। मैं 1-2 बार चैनल में बात करी थी इसके पहले, तो मैंने बोला वी आर द फ्रंट रनर्स। आइकॉन डिज़ाइन बोलो, UI बोलो, UX बोलो, AI बोलो, कुछ भी बोलो,
Yeah,
all are depending on
correct.
art. Art of talking, art of dressing, art of speaking.
Base is art, yes.
Everything. Art comes first into the head and then execution is different. So we are the epitome of the umbrella, the apex. We are the metaphors. Isn't it? So shall we go to your studio
Yes,
to
now.
see what works you've
Yeah,
done?
now, yes, we'll do. We'll do.
Yeah, thank you. As I know you as a great illustrator, do you practice illustration even until date?
No, now that is actually basic work because
So you bypassed.
human study is done already when I was a student. After that, I did as a illustrator. So that anatomical or academic human studies.
Yeah,
over
you've
done.
done on various mediums like
Yes.
watercolors, oil colors, charcoal, and all,
Yeah,
as I
yeah.
remember
So that
seeing
basic
Yeah.
illustration is helping me now to create anything to any extent.
bigger
Yes,
visualization.
even destruction or distortion, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So because of that base, I can achieve anything.
What are the kind of works that you do? Could you explain something like?
See, when I started in, I think, 2000, first I had my show in Jahangir Art Gallery. That was in 1994. Because one of my close friend who was very famous in Mumbai as an artist, unfortunately he is no more. Once he came to Hyderabad in 93 and he saw my work, realistic work. Those days I used to do all his. He said, "You are so good in drawing, I will arrange your show in Jahangir Art Gallery."
But those days to have in Jahangir,
Yes, yeah.
wow, it's so tough. It's so tough.
Really
It was a
tough.
costly
Because of
affair.
because of my friend confidence, he allotted me that gallery. He arranged everything, and he asked me to make a series on horse. That was my first show in Mumbai, Jahangir.
And I
Gallery.
think that got you a great name.
Yeah.
The horses
Yes.
show
Yeah.
was really appreciated
Yeah.
for a long time, or rather, you were known after the horses.
Correct. And I did in a different technique because I was master in watercolor. Still I do watercolor, but the same technique I adopted in oil color. Actually, oil color is a opaque medium.
Yes.
Nobody does like watercolor. But basic things I did in watercolor and some touches I gave opaque. So that watercolor lively things
Yeah, the look
came
is different. Outlook
yeah.
is totally
Yes.
different. But then I feel so happy that you're a person with so much gratitude that you remembered your friend even after his demise.
True, yes.
Yeah, his reflections in your journey of life.
Yeah, because of him I could enter to this painting world.
But seldom people say so, you know.
Yeah.
They try to portray very differently. I'm honored to hear that from you. And I'm proud to
Yeah, I must
have you
give-
as my brother to,
Yeah, I
you know.
must give a credit to him, no, because he deserved.
He deserves, but I'm also feeling so proud and nice to hear those words from you. And second thing, you have works which are distorting also. I remember there
Yeah,
were
presently-
variety of works.
presently you
Variety.
can- you
Yeah,
can
the
see
abstract form.
Yeah, so I started with a basic academic drawing. Then slowly I got an idea. So I did many series. So second series was human as a puppet.
Yeah.
So that subject you must remember this. So I did series on that. Even that was also exhibited in Jahangir Art Gallery. Then third one was bit.
Can I ask you one question? You said human as a puppet. This visualization came from.
Experience because
No, we hear people say, "ये रंगमंच है." We are like, you know.
the same thing, yes.
Yeah,
मुझे
you're-
जो भी अनुभव आए so उससे आई रियलाइज कि हम कुछ नहीं, हम बस ऊपर वाला जैसा हमको
Kotputty
नचाता
की
है हमें नाचना है.
in
So,
the strings and fingers.
basing on that, yes.
No, but this gives a offspring, or it gives us an idea that we have to be very good listeners, very good readers,
Correct, yes.
very good reciprocators.
Yes.
Only then we can.
And we should
Speak up.
realize that.
Yeah.
And this is the mixture of expression.
Yeah, expression, but you were keen on what you read, what you do, what you speak. That is why the visualization
Yeah, that
is so
is the
beautiful.
path to reach this.
And it,
level.
when you have justification to your work, it is accepted by the recipient so easily.
Correct, yes, yeah.
It should trigger the thoughts.
Correct, yeah.
As I said, the 5 senses has to be, one at least should be triggered. If you say human are puppets, immediately it
Correct.
reacts,
Yeah.
and people start thinking, and then they are immersed into your work.
Yeah.
So that is where you make a connectivity.
Correct.
A bridge where there's nothing seen.
Yes.
That's why at the initial stage I said beyond the sight.
Correct, yeah.
Beyond the sight. जो दिखता है वो अलग है, उसके पीछे का क्या है,
Correct, yeah.
काम कितना हुआ, उसमें एनर्जी कितना लगा,
Yeah.
और कितनी मुश्किलें आपने टेक ओवर किया है, कम ओवर,
Correct, yeah.
एंड उसका फ्रूट्स मिलते कि देखो चेहरे पे क्या है, स्माइल, सेटिस्फैक्शन
Correct, yes, yeah.
that you lived king size.
Yeah. So after that, I did one series in charcoal.
हाँ,
The title was Romance with Charcoal. So उसमें थोड़ा कपल के ड्राइंग्स बनाए थे. Total charcoal, and charcoal is a very difficult medium.
I know.
It's like watercolor, no?
yeah.
Yeah, you cannot erase or you cannot make any corrections on it. Once
Once
you put
drawn down.
Yeah, once you put a line, that is fine.
But that medium is very beautiful actually when you mastered it.
The expressions are, there is a scope of expressions.
And black and white is always
Yeah,
beautiful.
good, yes.
Always.
Yeah. And then in 2008, I happened to visit foreign countries like Paris, Rome, Florence. And there my total view is changed towards painting.
Naturally, क्योंकि ambience is different
Yes,
there.
yes, yes. I could see all great masters, their original work. So many, even Louvre Museum, Florence, Sistine Chapel, Rome.
No,
Yeah.
and art literally flourished in some of the countries.
So that changed my view and way of presentation of my art. So that's how you can see the distortion.
Changes and-
Changes, yeah. So presently I am working.
The way you magnet
Yeah.
attract people, you got attracted there.
True, very true. So presently I am working on every human being carries multi-personality.
Every
According to
human,
being carries multi-person inside.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Very true.
Yeah, I'm carrying a single page, but inside me there are 2-3 personalities. According to circumstances, I change.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
correct.
is fact of life.
Correct. So that's why you can.
I
see
know.
many,
I know.
faces.
Earlier days, the quotes are changing as per today. They would say face is the index of the mind.
Yeah, correct.
Later, people said I is the index because I cannot tell a lie.
Yeah.
But today, anything can be.
Correct. Yes.
Anything.
Yes.
So I agree
वो एक हिंदी
totally.
गाना है ना, एक चेहरे पे कई चेहरे लगा लेते हैं दो. सो उस टाइप का भी काम कर रहा हूँ. डिफरेंट एक्सप्रेशन, डिफरेंट expression in eyes, even face expression, and there are so many things which I could relate myself and express.
I swear, see, inspiration can be from anywhere. As you said, गाने का multi faces, चेहरे पे चेहरे लगा लेते हैं लोग. Like that, you know, many of the songs, the scripts were so beautiful
Yeah.
and it is dramatic.
Yes. It touches your heart.
Yeah, and it takes you to the, you know, it's like a book written where the adventure, you become part of it, you know. The character is moving and then you feel everything. So the vocabulary makes a lot of difference. So similarly, art language is also very different.
Yeah.
Dot, line, tone, texture, volume,
Yeah,
shape,
yeah,
size,
yeah.
color.
Texture,
That
yeah.
has its own language to speak.
Yeah, yeah.
So each of our work speaks our personality.
Yeah.
The inner personality beyond what is seen is
Correct, yeah.
it
Seeing
can
is a
read the
different-
character. Yeah,
seeing is a
the
different-
painting is different. Sometimes it is about their life.
Yeah.
It is about somebody's life,
Yes.
isn't it? Or it is some pain that one undergoes who doesn't speak up.
Yeah.
Unlike the poem. So all these are connected. That is why, Sanjay ji, you are into poetry, you are into painting, you are into music.
Music.
So all these are connected.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, yes. All interconnected. Interconnected, yes. Yeah.
My God.
Because of music, I can create rhythm in my painting.
Yeah, the
Yes.
principles of design,
Design,
a
yes.
राग हो या तो पेंटिंग हो,
Yeah.
हर इसमें rhythm है.
एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड
हाँ.
करेक्ट
That's why I said any movement of extension is dance
करेक्ट या
in rhythm. If it is not in rhythm, it cannot be a song, it cannot be a dance, it cannot be a painting, it cannot be anything.
करेक्ट
Can
actually
I?
in my whole process like अभी जैसा मैं I started with realistic academic drawing illustration or painting also.
You are exploring.
Yeah, for some time, up to some time, I used to do mostly realistic anatomical base. But slowly, when I said, as I said, I
Yeah,
visited.
when you went to see the other.
So I found the difference कि जो realistic work है, like storytelling, वो वहाँ तक सीमित हो जाता है. Hardly 4-5 lines में I can explain my realistic painting to you. Okay, let us talk about my horse. Okay, horse is running, his hairs are flying, or galloping horses or something. In these 4-5 sentences, I can.
I appreciate your multi-discipline and perspective of work.
Yes, yeah.
Because I have grown in the art college. I've read about artists. I've been living with all of you, breathing. But I've seen some artists are reluctant to move from what they were drawing.
Correct, yeah.
They think these are my elements, this is my...
Yeah. This is my
No, the
signature.
artist can do what he likes.
Correct, yeah. He should explore inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have explored so much that
you should realize your own capacities and
today your thought process changed.
correct. Yeah. Yeah,
You
that's what-
matured.
yeah, I'm coming back to that point. ये realistic होने के बाद when I started with abstraction and abstract painting and distortion, मुझे ये लग रहा था कि this painting, my own creation talks lot. Even weekly, जब भी मैं एक वीक के बाद मेरा ओन क्रिएशन देखता हूँ, इट स्पीक्स डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, इट इज टॉक्स विथ मी इन ए डिफरेंट वे. यार ये तो कल मुझे नहीं दिख रहा.
Very right. See,
Yeah, कल तो ये मुझे नहीं दिख रहा था, बट नाउ आई कैन सी दीज थिंग्स.
yes, yes.
So that's
See,
really interesting.
Whenever I was in a problem as a child, I would pick up any book because Bhagavad Gita was never into my pocket all the time. So I would close my eyes and remove one page, read, and I would find solace to what I'm thinking. But each time, again when I read it, it gives a different meaning.
Correct.
So it is all about the psychology.
Yeah.
If you feel I'm
Your
not
own
fine,
perception again.
yeah, it keeps changing, and you want to improve upon it.
Yeah.
And this is because, I don't know if you will agree, it's the Limca time, as we were from the advertising field. Why I said Limca time, the applied artist always feels all the advertisements are there, the brands are there, the clients are there. You cannot say he is my client, your client, I cannot take.
No.
And each time you design for the same client, same brand, same, but a step ahead.
Correct. Yes. Yeah.
and you don't talk. Is the taste of Taj fine? But then you assume and prepare. Maybe,
Yeah.
in the talcum powder there would have been chalk powder. But then you say it's the best.
Yes.
So we believe in
yeah.
telling well, isn't it?
Correct.
Only then it sells.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Telling well is our forte.
Correct. Yeah.
So you've not got out of your applied. Isn't it? That is why you're able to change, adapt to situations.
Yeah, actually, there's a basic habit in our applied art. Suppose client asks some design for his brand, like a label. We used to give 4 or 5
4 or
options.
5.
Options. Even again, he asks, no, I want something. Again, we are ready.
And the
to-
next year again we give him another choice.
Yes, we are ready.
So we
to-
compete
so
with ourselves.
Our mind goes in different ways, different direction.
Yeah, yeah.
To please the client.
Please the client, and we compete with our own
Yes,
self.
correct. Yes.
So that is what is I'm watching. That each of your work is different from the other. The techniques are different. The products are different. The elements are different.
Yes. I'm
And you
fully
are
satisfied.
exploring.
Yeah.
And I heard you're exploring to your retrospective.
Yes, now very soon. My family members are planning for that.
You heard
Because-
my words properly. You're exploding,
Yes.
not exploring. You've explored.
Exploding, yes.
You're exploding.
for the-
Bomb blast होने वाला.
Yes. For the new generations, coming new generations.
पैकेट में क्या है नहीं मैम, बचपन में हम क्या करते थे, मिट्टी सैंड से पोटली बना के, याद है आपको? आप किए नहीं?
उसके अंदर दारू।
एज में दाल या राइस लगा के बाजू हट के देखते थे कि कोई उठाएगा तो बहुत मस्ती है ना, है नहीं? बट नाउ इट इज डिफरेंट. दिस एक्सप्लोजन will give all sorts of gifts.
Yes, yeah. We hope so.
Of
Let us hope
surprise.
so. Let us hope so. Because
No,
I have
nothing
lot of
to hope. I'm very
lot of
sure.
stuff I have. I did portraits. I did everything. So
No,
I
I'm
want,
sure,
I
because
want
in
to-
my, as I'm a senior citizen today, I've seen you when I was 17 years old.
True. Yes.
So your entire journey
Yeah.
is so beautiful.
Though we were not regularly connected, but I know about
Wherever
you.
we met, we knew what we are doing. We, I still remember your humbleness. Bobby, thanks off to you. Dandavat pranam to both of you. When my son died, I remember both of you coming home. I will not forget, because I have the gratitude that somebody had come for me, taking time, and that is so nice.
No, because we know the pain. We passed through the same.
I know, and that was immediate after.
वो पेन हमने झेला है.
झेला है, but immediate.
Yes.
आप दूसरे को कंधा देने आए, तो ये बात मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती. My heartfelt gratitude to your family. And can you speak something about your awards, just a few?
Yeah.
Because
initially-
explosion में बाकी देखेंगे,
Yes.
थोड़ा तो भाई.
Now I am not much
बनता है.
worried about awards and all.
No, you don't need
But
to, because your work speaks.
I received many awards, especially when these times of Hindustan Times of Delhi.
Yeah.
They announce a cartoon competition, and I submitted one cartoon, and I got first prize out of 5,000 entries. So that was really happy moment for me. So like that, many.
I understand all these artists don't look for name, fame, money.
Yes.
See, जुनून होता है. जब जुनून होता
Yes, yes.
तो ही कुछ कर बैठते हैं, है ना?
So whenever I came across this kind of competition, so अंदर से एक आवाज आती थी, चलो ये तो I can do it, let us participate. और luckily by the grace of
You
God,
have passed
हमको-
through those phases.
Yes, तो मुझे
It
award
doesn't
मिला.
matter.
Yeah. Yes, even I participated many art camps, national art camps, international art camps. Yes, so I am fully satisfied, but still I feel that I must create something which takes
Something
me-
beyond.
Yes, takes me.
दूर का सोचना है.
Yes, वो अंदर अभी भी.
आर्टिस्ट का भाषा ही ऐसा होता है, साइलेंस बोले तो वो बाकी लोगों के लिए, नॉन आर्टिस्ट के लिए चुपचाप.
Yes,
बट फॉर अस एक्चुअली एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स देन.
correct. Yeah.
विजुलाइज करना शुरू कर देते, आइडियाज आते हैं, हम तो चुप रह ही नहीं सकते।
Correct, yeah.
अपना लैंग्वेज ही अलग है।
Your work must go on. So must.
It goes on, it goes on.
Correct.
It is a beginning. For anybody it's a stop, for us it's a beginning.
Yeah. So कई लोग मुझे पूछते हैं म्यूजिक और पेंटिंग में व्हाट डिफरेंस यू फील, मुझे पूछते हैं तो थोड़ी देर स्टार्टिंग में तो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज था, बट मैं जैसा प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ दोनों, तो आई रियलाइज कि सितार में आई गेट टोटली इन्वॉल्व, बिकॉज वहाँ पे सुर करेक्ट आना चाहिए, सारे का पता सा जो भी राग विच राग आई प्ले, तो उसके जो भी
नोटेशंस होते हैं
वो करेक्ट आना चाहिए, बिकॉज आई हैव टू पुल द स्ट्रिंग। वहाँ गंधार थोड़ा इधर उधर नहीं चलेगा, बिकॉज देन एक्सप्रेशन विल नॉट बी परफेक्ट। बट वेयर एज व्हेन आई डू ए पेंटिंग आई गेट मेनी थॉट्स। सो अगर मैं आज मॉर्निंग पेंटिंग करता हूँ तो मेरा हाथ तो चलता है, बट एट द सेम टाइम बैक ऑफ द माइंड आई विल थिंक आज गीता 4 बजे आने वाली है, बट इट डजंट हैपन व्हेन आई प्ले सितार।
But when you're painting, you can hear to a song or a music.
यस यस यस, बट
That suits.
यस, तो वो डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन में जाता है, बट व्हेन आई टेक ए सितार माय माइंड डजंट अलाउ मी टू गो एनीवेयर।
So, do you feel all this is also like meditation?
100%. Yeah, see, music is more meditative than painting.
बात ये है कि पेंटिंग कोई कोई कर सकता है, नहीं कर सकता है। म्यूजिक तो कोई सुन सकता है, गा नहीं सकता।
नहीं सकता, यस।
तो स्ट्रेन एंड स्ट्रेस डाउन होता है। तो
थोड़ा
रोज
पेंटिंग बाय बर्थ ही यू कैन डेवलप अगर आपके अंदर टैलेंट है, बट म्यूजिक देयर आर सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट which you cannot learn on your bansuri. You can play some song, you can play not classical but song, but whereas sitar, sarod, all these
But
you have
yeah,
to
do you agree with me?
you have to go to
गाने का तो देखो सरगम भी कौन सा एनिमल से स स्टार्ट हुआ, र स्टार्ट हुआ मालूम है, बट देन कौवा भी गाना चाहता है, चाहे उसकी आवाज मीठी हो ना हो।
गाता है,
गाता है, वो अपने लिए खुश होता है।
बस करेक्ट।
But today, I just want to end this up with a small line, because you can also understand the pain, and as Bhabhi, you and I spoke about your son and my son, so, and you were talking about music. I'm not a good singer, but I would like to connect 2 lines if you permit me.
Sure, always welcome.
आई तुम याद मुझे, गाने लगी हर धड़कन, खुशबू लाई पवन, महका चंदन।
वाह, गुड,
आई तुम याद मुझे,
वेरी गुड।
जब मैं रातों में तारे गिनता हूँ और तेरी कदमों की आहट सुनता हूँ, लगे मुझे हर तारा तेरा दर्पण,
वाह,
आई तुम याद मुझे।
वेरी गुड।
तो मुझे ऐसा लगा आज इतनी सारी बातें हम पुराने नॉस्टैल्जिक जो बात किए, कहीं गए नहीं, बच्चे तो यही हैं।
यस, लेकिन 40 साल पीछे का पूरा
आज भी हम याद रखे, अगर अदिति ने नाम आपके बेटे के नाम से लगाया है, अविनाश तो खुद कभी नष्ट होने का बात ही नहीं है, जो कभी नाश न हो अविनाश है।
करेक्ट।
तो आज का दिन we just pray to God for having given us the heart throb, कि हम धन्यवाद करते हैं भगवान जी का कि हमें इतना जो भी दिया है,
ये सब दिया है आपको।
हाँ।
कभी उसके साथ
कुछ लेते हो तो कुछ छप्पर फाड़ के देते भी हो, है ना?
करेक्ट।
तो थैंक यू सो मच, धन्यवाद भाई।
थैंक्स।
एंड आई एम सो सॉरी, इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉलिंग यू सर, आई कीप सेइंग भाई भाई।
कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं आप, आपका बड़ा भाई हूँ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। I remember how brotherly you were that at your son's wedding, Gunjan's wedding, आपने पूछा उल्लास जी से बात की, मैंने बोला नहीं, आप बोले फोन लगाओ बुला उसको। मैं बोली तो मेरा बॉस है, हाउ कैन आई कॉल, देन यू सेड तो मैं कौन हूँ, मैं बोली मेरे भाई। तो कविता मैम सोची ये क्या संभाषण हो रहा है दोनों के बीच में। तो आपने फोन लगाया उल्लास जी को, इधर आ जाओ सुन सो प्लीज।
Yeah, he came and he couldn't recognize it.
एंड यू आज ये लड़की को पहचानते? तो बोले नहीं। तो फिर बोले उसके सामने, उनके सामने आपने फिर से पूछा मैं कौन हूँ? मैं बोली मैं संजय भाई। तो आपने एक जोर से तमाचा मारा मेरे सिर पे कि तो ये बॉस है, मैं भाई हूँ। मैं बोली बिल्कुल, वो बॉस ही है इसलिए उधर है, आप भाई है इधर है। तो फिर कविता मैडम हंस रही थी कि उल्लास जी ने बोला मैंने इनको कभी नहीं देखा। तो ये याद दिला कि गीता अपने पास काम करी थी ना एक लड़की, हाँ हाँ वो भी प्रिंसिपल हो गई है कॉलेज की। तो बोले वही है ये। तो कविता मैडम बोले वही लड़की है ये बदमाश। You remember her word?
Yes.
My God, it was a blessing that we are remembering her also today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Recently she passed away, na?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Bhaiya, for giving me this lovely opportunity.
God bless you.
Yeah, thank you. I learned a lot.